Welcome to the fourth session of the Jerry Party Mindfulness Meditation Virtual Reality Experience. I'm Magnus Bein and I'll be guiding your meditation this session, touching on what is called anapanasati, or mindfulness of breathing. Please take a moment to settle in. Ensure you're in a comfortable position, ideally seated in a stable chair, or have an adaptation that works for your body. Be comfortable and relaxed, but not so much that you'll fall asleep. Now that you're in a position that you can maintain for the next 15 to 20 minutes, take a look around. This is your space and your time to relax. You may hold your eyes gently closed, relaxed, slightly open. If you prefer, you can concentrate on the imagery around you. This session guides you through a sitting meditation with breath as the primary object of awareness. You will hear my voice with tips and instructions, as well as pauses of about 10 breaths, allowing you to absorb and experience the meditation yourself. We'll briefly repeat what we practiced in the first few sessions and continue practicing what we began in the third. Now that you've settled in here a little bit, we'll begin. So as a preliminary, just let yourself breathe in a relaxed way, catching yourself when your thoughts draw your attention away from the breath and gently return back to breathing while letting go of the distraction. Recall to have relaxed breathing, allowing your breathing to be free of any control, just natural breath. Now we'll follow the breath. Recall from last time that on inhale, observe the flow of breath past your lips into your upper respiratory tract, your nostrils, and lower into the abdomen. Observe as your belly expands on an in-breath and then contracts with air pushing out of your chest and back through your throat and nostrils. Continue following in this way. Recall to gently start again when you find your mind has wandered. And remember to congratulate yourself for realizing this and return to your breath. Now we will practice a new approach to breathing meditation. Gently settle your awareness on a part of your respiratory tract so that you can observe breath in and out from one spot. Popular choice are the upper lips or nostrils. Others may choose the abdomen, for example. Focus on a spot that you can maintain vivid awareness of the full cycle of breath and all its phases. If you've been paying attention to a distant sound or notice that your mind has wandered to perception other than breath, bring your attention once again back to breath. Notice any tendency to judge different thoughts and sensations, such as liking this experience, or if you are uncomfortable, disliking it. This too can be an object of awareness, just noticing that you have an opinion about what draws and detracts your attention creates awareness of your liking mind and your critical mind, but without being compelled to do anything about it. So while observing the breath from one spot, notice the cycle of breath, in through your body and out again. You may notice your attention shifting, such as to how your body feels, sensations of achiness or discomfort or tension. Try and use the 6 R's to return back to your breath. Recognize that your mind has wandered. Release this and relax. Re-smile. So put on a smile, congratulate yourself, and return to the object of meditation. And when this happens again, repeat this cycle. Wherever the mind goes in terms of thoughts or liking or disliking perceptions or hearing a sound, feelings of peace, feelings of sadness, frustration, anticipation, whatever they are, notice these raw thoughts and bring awareness to the movement of breath from that spot that you're observing it from. Remain curious about your breaths. Acknowledge that no two breaths are exactly the same. And at the same time, see if it's possible to have a friendly attitude towards whatever comes into your awareness. When your mind wanders again, start practicing the cycle of returning. Recognize. Release the feelings or thought. Relax. Resmile. And redirect your attention back to the breath. While you notice your attention is suddenly drawn away from the present moment, when you realize it is away from your breath, see if it's possible to have an attitude of celebration or congratulation for recognizing this moment of awareness. This is part of releasing, relaxing, and resmiling. Practice acknowledging what you've wandered, noticing that you've gone somewhere else. And while relaxed and smiling, bring your attention back to the breath in a friendly and non-judgmental way. Now, as this meditation comes to an end, recognize that you've spent this time intentionally getting closer to your moment-to-moment experience. We've reached the end of your meditation, touching on anapanasati, the mindfulness of breath. When you're ready, let some light into your eyes if you've had them closed. Permit yourself now to shift or to stretch or whatever way you feel comfortable as the sitting meditation ends.